Welcome to day 2 of relocation to a new city. So, this is how we pack our stuff. We have got dedicated boxes for crockery, crystals, electronic appliances, and decoratives. And you'll be surprised to know that boxes are in the perfect shape, irrespective of the fact that there are certain things, like most of the things, which are 12 years, 15 years, or even 17 years old, because we preserve the boxes equally as we preserve the crockery and crystal, etc. So we pack them in their dedicated boxes and then we keep them in the trunks. Yes, we do get ample help for packing and all, and these people are trained, so they do it very well. But still, I am around, at least I am around, and I make sure that it is done in a way I want it to be. So that's how it is, and stay tuned to know what all goes in relocation from one place to another.